In our last session, we explored the key types of business documents you'll encounter in the workplace. Today, we're going to take a closer look at how to tailor your writing to different audiences and purpose. Think of it like this. You wouldn't speak to your boss the same way you would speak to your best friend, right? The same principle applies to writing. Your approach will vary depending on who you're writing for and what are you trying to achieve. Knowing your audience, putting yourself in their shoes. The first step to effective writing is understanding your audience. Consider these questions. Who are they? Are they your colleagues, clients, potential customers, or someone else? What's their level of knowledge? Are they experts on your topic or novice? What's their relationship to you? Are they your superior, subordinate, or peers? What's their interest in your message? Why should they care about what you have to say? By putting yourself in the audience's shoes, you can anticipate their needs, their interests, and potential questions. This will help you craft a message that resonates with them and achieves your desired outcome. What are you trying to achieve? Before you start writing, it is crucial to define your purpose. What do you want your writing to achieve? Here are some common purposes. To inform, share information, explain a concept, or update someone on progress. Number 2, to persuade, convince someone to take a certain action, maybe agree with your point of view or support your proposal. Number 3, to instruct, provide step-by-step guidance or directions. Number 4, build relationships, establish rapport, express gratitude, or offer support. Your purpose will dictate your tone, style, and content. For example, a persuasive proposal will require a different approach than an instruction manual. Adapting your style, choosing the right words for the right occasion. Once you understand your audience and purpose, you can start to adapt your writing style accordingly. Here are a few tips. Formal versus informal. Formal writing is typically used for official documents, such as reports and presentations. It is characterized by a more serious tone, complex sentences, and the avoidance of contractions or slang. Informal writing is more casual, conversational. It's often used for emails, memos, and social media posts. Technical versus general. If you're writing for a technical audience, you can use more specialized vocabulary and assume a higher level of knowledge. If you're writing for a general audience, use plain language and explain any technical terms. Positive versus negative. The tone of your writing can significantly impact how your message is received. Whenever possible, use a positive and an upbeat tone, even when delivering bad news. Direct versus indirect. In some cultures, it is considered polite to be indirect and avoid confrontation, while in other cultures, a direct approach is preferred. So consider your audience's cultural background when deciding how to frame your message. Adapting your writing to different audiences and purposes takes practice. The more you write, the better you will become at tailoring your messages to achieve the desired effect. Pay attention to how different types of writings are received and learn from your successes and mistakes.